This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. I'm going to show you how to easily create a classic retro 1-bit bitmap effect for text, graphics, and photos. The method I'm going to show you is the easiest way to transform anything into a 1-bit bitmap image. The word bitmap is short for binary digit map. It's essentially a digital graphic in which each pixel is represented by exactly 1 bit of data. It allows only 2 possible colors, black and white. In comparison, an 8-bit image can contain up to 256 tones of gray. We'll begin with a photo, and later I'll show you how well it works with text. Go to Image, Mode, and Grayscale. If you see this message, just click Discard. This removes all color from the image. Go back to Image, Mode, and Bitmap. For this image, I'll set the output to 30 pixels per inch, but feel free to adjust that number if you don't like the result. For the method, choose Halftone Screen, then click OK, or press Enter or Return. Keep the frequency and angle at their default settings. For the shape, I'll choose Cross, but again, feel free to experiment with the other shapes as well. Press Ctrl or Command 0 to fit the bitmap image to your canvas. To save it, we'll reverse the steps. Go to Image, Mode, and Grayscale, and keep the size ratio at 1. Go back to Image, Mode, and RGB Color. Go to Image, and Image Size, and increase the resolution. I'll set mine to 72 pixels per inch, but you could use a higher resolution if you want. You can also enlarge the image to any size you like, but before you do, make sure the chain link icon is active to maintain its aspect ratio. Choose Nearest Neighbor Hard Edges to keep the pixels super sharp. Press Ctrl or Command 0 to fit the entire image to your canvas. To see how sharp it is, press Z to activate the Zoom tool and drag over a small area. If you'd like to zoom in even closer, drag again. It'll always retain its sharpness. I'll zoom back out. Let's see how well it works with text. I typed some text and applied a few layer styles to it. The key to getting a great result is adding gradients and subtle glows before converting it. I used the same steps and settings that we applied to the photo to achieve this result. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching. And remember, be safe and be kind. See you next time.